Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Discord on mobile. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. To start sharing your screen, first you need to join a voice channel on a server or start direct call. To start call, tap on the message icon at the top left and select the person you wish to call and start voice or video call over here. So to join voice channel, select a server, tap on the voice channel name and tap on join voice. Once you've done it, drag up this bottom panel and now you can see share your screen item. Tap on that and select what you wish to share, a single application or entire screen. Tap on start. Now drag it down and now you're sharing your screen with the person you call or with the whole voice channel on a server. To stop sharing, just tap on that. To finish call, tap on the screen and tap on the red icon. And to improve your voice quality during the screen sharing, I recommend you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, tap on settings icon, now find voice settings and adjust input mode, input sensitivity, output, noise suppression and voice processing, features like echo cancellation and automatic gain control. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome.